Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the event notifications on the WebComics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Library button at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the Settings icon and go to the Push Notification section at the Personal Settings, and here you can find the event notifications and just tap to the next white circle and the event notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.